For top-notch window installation in Sugarland, look no further than our expert services. We specialize in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows to enhance your home's comfort and style. Our vinyl windows Sugarland options are perfect for those seeking durability and aesthetic appeal. Whether you need window glass replacement or window frame installation, our team is ready to assist with all your Sugarland window installation and patio doors Sugarland needs. Enhance your home's security and aesthetics with our sliding patio doors and French doors. Our patio door installation Sugarland services ensure a seamless fit and function. Choose from a variety of custom patio doors Sugarland to match your unique style. Our insulated patio doors Sugarland provide excellent energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Protect your home from the elements with our storm windows and window sealing services. Our Sugarland storm windows are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, while our window caulking Sugarland ensures no drafts or leaks. For those looking to upgrade, our window upgrades Sugarland offer the latest in window technology and design, complemented by modern patio doors Sugarland options for improved protection and beauty. Maintain your windows with our comprehensive window maintenance services. From window screen replacement to window hardware updates, we cover all aspects of window care. Our window tinting Sugarland services add privacy and reduce glare, while our bay windows Sugarland options bring elegance and light into your home. Pair these with our patio doors Sugarland for a complete and stylish home upgrade. Schedule a window consultation Sugarland to explore the best window styles and solutions for your property. Ensure your windows are safe and functional with our window safety and window measurement services. Our team provides precise window measurements to guarantee a perfect fit for your new installations. Trust our expertise in window consultation Sugarland to guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best options for your home, including premium patio doors Sugarland for added value and efficiency. For all your window needs, including window caulking, window screen replacement, and window hardware, our Sugarland window maintenance services have you covered. Our window styles and window upgrades Sugarland options offer a wide range of choices to suit any home design. Add our patio doors Sugarland for an elegant and functional touch that enhances both indoor and outdoor living. Contact us today for expert window consultation Sugarland and discover the perfect solutions for your home. Window installation in Sugarland is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, Sugarland residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Double-pane windows in Sugarland are particularly popular for their ability to provide superior insulation and noise reduction, while patio doors Sugarland offer seamless access to outdoor spaces and improved ventilation. Energy-efficient windows in Sugarland are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These windows are an excellent investment for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Vinyl windows in Sugarland offer a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners seeking long-lasting window solutions, while patio doors Sugarland enhance natural light and expand your living space. Custom windows in Sugarland allow homeowners to personalize their window styles to match their unique preferences and home design. Whether you're interested in bay windows or sliding patio doors, Sugarland offers a variety of options to suit your needs. French doors and patio doors Sugarland add a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home while providing easy access to outdoor areas. Window installation in Sugarland is essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. From window frame installation to window glass replacement, Sugarland professionals provide comprehensive services to keep your windows in top condition. Window sealing in Sugarland is another critical service that helps prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Pair these upgrades with our patio doors Sugarland for a complete home improvement solution. Sliding doors in Sugarland are a popular choice for homeowners looking to maximize space and create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Custom patio doors Sugarland can be tailored to fit any opening, providing a perfect fit and enhanced security. Insulated patio doors Sugarland offer additional energy savings and comfort for your home. Window caulking in Sugarland is a vital step in ensuring your windows are properly sealed and protected from the elements. This service helps prevent air and water leaks, contributing to a more energy-efficient home. Sugarland window screen replacement is another important service for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Complement these services with our durable patio doors Sugarland for complete protection. Patio door installation in Sugarland is a specialized service that requires expertise and precision. Whether you're installing sliding patio doors or French patio doors, Sugarland professionals ensure a seamless and secure fit. Sugarland window hardware options include a variety of styles and finishes to complement your home's design, along with high-quality patio doors Sugarland that enhance both form and function. Window tinting in Sugarland is an excellent way to reduce glare and protect your home's interior from harmful UV rays. This service can also enhance privacy and improve energy efficiency. Bay windows in Sugarland provide a beautiful and functional addition to any home, offering expansive views and additional seating or storage space. Pair them with patio doors Sugarland to maximize natural light and accessibility. Window maintenance in Sugarland is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they operate smoothly. Regular maintenance can prevent costly installations and improve energy efficiency. Window upgrades in Sugarland offer homeowners the opportunity to enhance their windows' performance and appearance. Combine these with stylish patio doors Sugarland to elevate your home's comfort and curb appeal. Sugarland window styles range from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to choose the perfect design for their home. Window consultation in Sugarland provides expert advice and guidance on selecting the right windows for your needs and budget. Window safety in Sugarland is a top priority, with professionals offering solutions to enhance security and protect your family. Modern patio doors Sugarland contribute to these benefits by combining safety, style, and energy efficiency.